Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. This is the 2016 Jeep Renegade, to be exact. Stock number is T19781A. Let's show you this Renegade up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. This vehicle does have just over 29,000 miles, which is super low. Has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. Four-wheel drive, gotta like that. Four-wheel drive in the inclement weather that we do have at some points here in the Northwest. Take notice of the interior rear. Lots of ample room for luggage, cargo, anything you might be needing to transport. And we're going to show you the interior. This is a Carfax one owner with a super clean history report we can provide to you upon your arrival here at Sunset Ford. Oil changes for life, warranty protection for life at no extra cost to you. You just find it at one place and one place only. Take notice of the front driver's seat interior. Does have the backup camera, comes equipped with Bluetooth, fully loaded, and you're gonna love the price. Do me a favor, for more info, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down, we'd like to meet you in person and get ready to save. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around of this Renegade. Make it a great day.